First, we have to open Photoshop to create clipping mask on the text. So what is clipping mask? Suppose we having several layers in Photoshop. One is text, another is our image. We are dragging the text over the image. So image will be overlap the text. Then we have to clip it, clipping mask. So clipping mask means image will be cutting as the size of text. Okay. So how to do the clipping mask? We will take one simple example for the beginners. Now I am explaining one simple example. Just see that example. This is the Photoshop CS6 version we are using. Now what we have to do? Just we need to take one canvas. Click on File, New, then select clipping mask, text, clipping mask text. So the page size should be A4, height width will be as usual, color will be RGB color mode are two twice, I already said earlier, CMYK and RGB. CMYK cyan, magenta, yellow and RGB red, green, blue. So we are taking RGB red, green, blue color system. So now we are clicking on OK. This is the canvas is created. Now we are just rotating the canvas. Go to image, then image rotation clockwise 90 degree. Now the canvas is moved 90 degree clockwise. This is the background layer. Always the background layer, I already said the background layer is locked. So we need to double click on it. The background layer will be copied. Layer 0. So we are taking copy background. Copy background. Click on OK. Now we have to take one text. Okay. So how to take the text? So just we need to type. Using the text tool, horizontal text tool. There are the text tool. From the palette we are taking the text tool. There are horizontal text tool, vertical text tool. We are taking horizontal text tool. And now we need to type on the canvas. What we have to type? The font size. Here is the font size. Take any font size you want. Like we are taking any regular font size. Means anything, Times New Roman or Calibri. Times New Roman. So regular, the size should be 48. Now we have to type beautiful, beauty of nature. Now again we have to select the text, increase the font 72, beauty of nature, right? Now we are taking beauty of nature text. So this text we are taking beauty of nature. Clear? Now we have to take any photo. So to take any photo we have to go to Google, using Google Chrome. Now for stock photo download, we already said the site, that is pixel.com. So we have to search pixel.com. So pixels nature photo. You have to click on pixels. Just enter. Pixel stock photo. Click on pixel stock photo. You have to download any photo. Click on nature, search as nature, search nature wallpaper. Yes, take any photo. This one, free download. Cross the ad. Already photo has been downloaded successfully. Now right click on it, show in folder, rename it, to nature. Go to our Photoshop canvas, file, open, library, this PC, downloads, nature, open. Okay, click the move tool to drag on the canvas. Yes, nature. Press Ctrl T to free transform. Shift. Press Shift key to extend it. Press Enter. Rename the layer as nature layer. Rename the layer, or double click on that layer to rename. This is image layer. Okay. If we drag the text on the image, it will show like this. But this is not the clipping mask. We have to drag the image over the text. Now right click on that, click on create clipping mask option. See, if we adjust using Ctrl T and free transform, we can see the effect. Okay. If we just increase the text size, go to the text layer again, go to the text layer again, go to the text layer. If we want to increase using Ctrl T this text, see, within the text the image already adjusted. Is this clear? Beauty of nature. Clear? Now you want to just create the background. Any color you want to pick up. Eyedropper tool to pick up the color. Now take the fill color option, already the color is selected. Just select the color. Take another image. If we zoom it, see the image within the image, within the text there are the image. See, is it clear? This is called text clipping mask. Here, understand? Thank you for watching the video.